Oriental Culture hopes that as more online art and collectibles platforms list, they will improve the credibility of a sector dogged by a history of scams, Louis Wan, its chief executive, said. Get the latest insights and analysis from our Global Impact newsletter on the big stories originating in China. What we really want to achieve through the listing is an improvement of our brand image and to inject credibility in the market for collectibles. The net proceeds raised come second after that, Wan said. China's collectibles market, estimated to be worth at least 100 billion yuan, has been blighted by inflated values for rare stamps, postage seals and antique coins, which have hurt buyers. And in many instances, their losses have come at the hands of illicit trading platforms where fraud and scams are common. Oriental Culture chose Nasdaq over Hong Kong. Also because companies listed on the US exchange are viewed as more international and having better long-term growth potential, Wan said. It has raised just US $20.2 million from its initial public offering and plans to use the proceeds to improve its information technology infrastructure and to expand into the US market. It had about 91,000 users as of June. The company, which has about 50 employees split between Hong Kong and Nanjing, hopes to expand its services to include calligraphy, jewelry, antique furniture and Chinese wines, such as fiery liquor Qiakao Maotai, which normally more than 1,000 yuan and whose vintage can also affect its value. Wan said he expected the number of such cultural asset exchanges to go down to about 32 from 60 currently, following years of crackdown by Beijing, which has sought to limit their numbers to one per province since 2011. This could potentially create opportunities for platforms in Hong Kong. This is a prime opportunity for the government to nurture the uniqueness of Hong Kong as an international asset management hub. Every financial center can offer the trading of securities or gold. But the trading of Chinese cultural assets is unique to Hong Kong, Wan said. Oriental Culture currently operates more like an e-commerce platform, despite calling itself a digital asset exchange or artworks exchange. It is currently not covered by Hong Kong's securities laws, and Wan said he hoped that the city's regulators will put in place